Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Now, setting up a Google Merchant Center account allows you to manage your online and in-store product data to make it available for Google Shopping ads and other Google services. Now, all you have to do is go to the Google Merchant Center, and from here just click on the Get Started option or Start Now option. You would be forwarded here wherein you need to fill in as much as information as you can. All right. So number one option is if you sell products online, you might want to click yes. If no, just don't put it. All right. If you do, type in the website that you are selling your products online. For example, in my case, I'm going to be using gplafs.com. And what types of online stores are eligible? Do you have a physical store? If you do, click on yes. If you don't, click on no. And from here, all you have to do is click on continue. All right. Now, you need to understand that you need to show your products in Google for free and where your products will show. All right. You just have to make it sure that you read and understand all the information before you hit the continue button. Now, in this case, all you have to do is enter your business information. For example, I'm going to be using gplafs. You can get personalized email notifications on news and tips or get invitations to participate in occasional surveys and pilots. And from here, all you have to do is continue to Merchant Center. You will then be forwarded to this homepage. All right. From here, you see, you can add your business address if you want. Later, click here if you wanted. Click on cancel if you don't want to do it right now. But the thing is, it's very important to verify your phone number to confirm it's you, confirm the online store of your business, add details to show how you ship your products, and of course, all of these. Now, it's very important to confirm the online store of your business. If you click that, you need to verify and claim your website. All right. And again, all you have to do is select the website. Now, these are going to be some options on how you can verify and claim your website. You can use any of these methods. Number one is get a code sent to your business email if you have a business email address, or use your e-commerce platform if you are using Shopify, WooCommerce, Squarespace, Wix, and all of these online merchant store that you can integrate with your Google Merchant. You can also have an option to add an HTML tag or file, or upload an HTML file via your website server. But if you want to use Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager, if it's already set up, you might want to do that instead. And from here, all I have to do is click the option that says verify your online store. Now, let's do that later, because the next thing that you need to do for you to fully set up your Google Merchant Center is to add details to how you ship your products. It's very important because we are going to use the Google Merchant Center to sell something, right? So we need to add or remove countries. For example, we're going to be using this country right here. Click on confirm and click on continue. So you're going to be having this policy name, and from here we might want to use something like, for example, this. And you might want to begin adding shipping information in a single country or multiple countries that share shipping costs and delivery options. All right. For example, if you want to add another country right here, we're going to be adding United Kingdom right here. So these are going to be my targeted countries to sell my product. Click on continue. All right, it's going to be easy. Now you can select products that shares product costs and delivery options. I'm going to just click on continue for all products, and delivery time are these. You can choose for the order cutoff time, like you can put in a simple number or a time. Time zone is this. Handling times are these. Destinations are all of it. And I'm going to click on the continue. In terms of the shipping cost, you can choose the currency of your local region or the targeted country or areas you want. For example, if you are using USD or GBP. Now you can include free shipping over a specific order value. You can put it here. or no shipping below a specific order value. You can also choose from any of the following shipping cost type, be it free shipping, flat rate, price, weight, number of items, and advanced cost table, which is uncommon. Click on save. Once you have verified that, click on done. You should be forwarded to the last option, which is going to be setting up your sales tax, which is very important. All right, so we're going to be using the US state, all of it. And from here, we're just going to click on save right now. So once you've done that, the last thing that we need to do is to add products in order for our Google Merchant Center to be up and running. We're going to add a product here. Now we have a separate video on how to add products here in Google Merchant Center that you might want to check. It's an in-depth dive into how you can do it here very easily. But of course, we're going to run down so that we can fully set up our Google Merchant Center. Now you can add products from a file if you wanted. You can use Google Sheets, but that would require you using a template. Or what we're going to do is to add products one by one. Let's click on continue. Wait for it a little bit. Now we can put in the name. For example, brand is gonna be we can put description. We can put an image here. Click on add images. You can drag and drop or provide an image URL depending on your preferences. All right, so once you have set up the images you needed for your first products here, you can put in the product type, select category, and of course you can set the prices. Once you're happy with it, all you're gonna do is click the save button. Now, since we have already set up all the things, so we're gonna be making sure that our Google Merchant Center account is running perfectly. All right, so we have all these. You see that? Make sure you have completed all of these steps to set up the Merchant Center. Your products will then be reviewed to ensure they comply with Google policies, and this may take a few days. While at it, you might want to hover to the marketing section, wherein you can show your products across Google if you use this tool. All right. You also have an option for the ad campaigns, wherein if you wanted to create a campaign here in Google Merchant Center, you might want to do that to make sure you create traffic and of course boost your product sales. The analytics in this section is wherein you can generate some information about some data right here. So you would be able to understand and diagnose which part of your products and campaigns are not working, which is working. So you'll be able to analyze the data and also with the products. All right. You can add conversion sources such as Google Analytics. You would be able to see the competitors, popular products, promotion, and audience. All right. And basically, that's how you set up your Google Merchant Center. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.